Welcome to Unlearning with Laura, the podcast where you get to rewire your mind, reclaim your power, and break generational cycles. I'm Laura Stiles, clinical hypnotherapist and mindset coach, and founder of The Mindful Generation, the place where parents come to transform their lives and live with more purpose and freedom. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, this week we are doing a hypnosis session. This hypnosis audio was originally created for one of my clients. I turned this into a podcast episode with her consent, as I always do, and it's all around emotional eating. Now, this client always felt dread creeping in as the festive season approached each year, and she deeply wanted to enjoy her Christmas, but every year found herself overeating, overindulging, and slipping into emotional eating that left her feeling uncomfortable, guilty, and frustrated with herself. If that resonates with you, you're not alone, and this will be a great episode for you. This session will help you to reconnect with your natural inner wisdom, so knowing when you're full, knowing how to listen to your body. And also for this particular client, it really helped her to realise what she needs. It wasn't always about the food that was just filling a void. So before we begin, please make sure you're somewhere safe, warm and still. Never listen whilst driving or operating machinery. And if you feel like this will help someone that you know, please don't hesitate to share, and please like, subscribe, and do all the things that you may feel called to do to support me and this podcast, because it really does help me a lot. Thank you in advance, and let's begin. Take a slow, soft breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Let the air move in through your nose and leave through your mouth. Start to relax. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel the tension in your jaw unclench. Feel your belly gently expand. And notice the weight of your body resting wherever you are, supported, held, and safe in this moment. And with every breath, allow yourself to drift a little deeper, a little softer, and a little more inward. Take this time now just for you. And as your body softens, I want you to imagine something gentle and soothing and safe. I want you to picture yourself in a warm, cozy, festive room, a sanctuary made just for you. You're lying on a thick, comforting mattress, one that seems to rise up to meet you, supporting every curve of your body. With every slow breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper and deeper into that warmth. And slowly you realise you're inside the most magical snow globe. Snow is falling softly outside of the glass. But in here, there's only golden candlelight, twinkly Christmas lights, a crackling log burner, fluffy blankets wrapped around you, and a quiet cat curled up on a soft rug nearby. You have your finished mug of hot chocolate on the table in front of you, and you feel so warm and snuggly and cozy. You are safe, and you are deeply, deeply held here. The amber glow of the fire dances across the room, softening every thought and melting away any tension you may be feeling. Everything inside you is slowing right down to a peaceful, steady rhythm. With every breath, you drop deeper into the thick mattress, deeper into safety, deeper into yourself. As if the snow globe cradle is lowering you gently into complete rest. And as you feel more and more deeply relaxed, you float into this soft, glowing sanctuary, and your mind becomes open, receptive, and calm, ready for healing, ready for change, and ready for a kinder relationship with yourself. As I count down from 10 to 1, with each number you will feel even more deeply relaxed. Your body will soften even more, and your subconscious mind will open to everything I'm about to say. 10, 9, deeper relaxed. 8, 7, even deeper. 6, 5, more and more relaxed. 4, 3, that's right. 2 and 1. You are feeling so relaxed now, in this warm, safe place. You can now meet the part of you that's been overeating, overindulging, and searching for comfort in rich foods, or slipping into the emotional eating when life feels overwhelming. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this part of you. She's only ever been trying to soothe you, to protect you, to help you cope when you didn't have the tools that you have now. And now, in this soft, gorgeous, festive sanctuary, you get to gently let this part of you rest. You can whisper to her, "Thank you for trying to protect me, but I'm ready to let go of that now. I don't need it anymore." Because from now on, your body becomes your guide. You begin to hear hunger signals more clearly. You begin to feel fullness more gently. And you begin to recognize the difference between true nourishment and emotional soothing. And in this deep, cozy state, your mind begins forming new pathways, new habits and new instincts. You start to trust your body again. You trust that you don't need to rush your food. Trust that you don't need to keep putting food in your mouth when you feel full. You don't need to finish it all, and you don't need to eat past comfort. You don't need food to cope with stress or to soothe emotions. These emotions deserve a different kind of care. You begin to appreciate how good it feels to stop at enough, to honour your body signals, and to slow down and really savour the flavours and the feel of the foods in your mouth. Because you, your well-being, your comfort, your confidence matter more than a second helping. A helping that doesn't actually serve you. You're allowed to enjoy festive food and special occasions with gorgeous foods in front of you. But the key now and in the future is enjoy it without losing yourself in it. You will feel empowered now to feel proud of your choices. You are allowed to be a woman who eats peacefully, mindfully, calmly and intuitively. That's right. Now, allow a gentle wave of loving energy to rise from your chest. This energy is soft, warm, maternal, and it feels like a mother that you always needed inside of yourself. This loving inner presence speaks to you with kindness, with passion, and with respect. This motherly voice says, I am worthy of caring for myself. I am worthy of choosing differently now. I'm worthy of nourishment. I get to enjoy food without hurting myself. I trust myself to stop when I'm satisfied. And each time you hear these words, your self-esteem strengthens. Your confidence grows, and your old patterns loosen their grip. It's becoming easier now, so much easier, to honour yourself. Now, you see your future self, walking through the festive season, glowing, confident, relaxed, eating with joy, having a laugh with friends, feeling connection with children. There's no urgency. Your energy is calm, relaxed, and you're enjoying mindful moments of connection with family. Choosing with intention, not emotion. Honouring yourself and not abandoning yourself. And when your needs are crying out to be met, you listen to those needs. You check in with yourself and you pause. And you regulate your nervous system with your favourite tools that you use in the moment. this version of you exists. She is authentic and real. She's the childlike version of you who needed to express in this way, but has lost her way in how to do this. You are becoming this version of you again, and she is already becoming you. You deserve to feel good this Christmas season, and you deserve to let go of any shame or sadness that may be held within you, that from now on will no longer feed this emotional eating pattern. And now, just let your awareness gently return to your breath. Feel the surface beneath your body and feel the room that you're in, and feel the warmth surrounding you. Know that everything you've experienced here and listened to in this audio goes with you into your real life in a gentle, natural, effortless way. All of the suggestions in this audio are being embedded into your subconscious mind. Each time you listen, your patterns change for the better. When you're ready, take a deep, refreshing breath in and gently return to your conscious mind, feeling empowered, calm, and deeply connected to your body and your body's needs. 1. Returning to your conscious mind. 2. Feeling relaxed but more awake. 3. Waking up now. 4. Feeling great. And 5. Wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.